Hi David, I'm sorry to see you are having trouble with this. Let's see if we can solve it, or at least let me show you how it should be working for you too. You load the level. I'm using the same level as you do also. Let's check it out here. It's the same resolution. I'm just loaded the level in the X sheet. Then I go to cleanup room or workspace. Here I just click the auto center, set it to bottom. The default is already bottom. Then the field guide, I will leave it as it is by default. This is my preset, but I tried it and I see with this default preset it works okay, so let's try it this time again. I'm not seeing anything here because if I hit play, I will see the uncleaned version of the level. So this is working really, but you aren't seeing it. To see it at work, you have to either clean up the level, or previous to the cleanup process, you can preview the cleanup with the option I'm showing you here. So now you see that the level is registered. At least you just saw that the level was shifted downwards. So if I hit play, I'm hitting the P key on the keyboard. And if I hit P again, you see it registered. I should see it registered. Well, there's one keyframe that seems to haven't worked. I will try to see what frame was. No. Let's try again. Play. No. It was a display issue, I think. So you see the level is completely static here, and the pegs have been registered. So to make it permanent, you should go to scan and cleanup and just hit cleanup. You need to firstly select all the level. I think you can just click on the header and go to the option. This dialog appears because it seems that there's already a b.tlv level in the drawings folder, but if it's the first time you're doing the cleanup, you won't have this situation. But if you happen to face this situation, well, you got to select one of these options to see to determine what you will do with the pre-existent file. So in this case, I will rename the new level appending underscore and 1 at the end. So I will hit apply to all. If you just hit apply, you will be cleaning up each frame individually, and it will show you a preview of what's being done. So well, this is what I was trying to tell you. You can see it here too, and see what's being done. But just I'm gonna hit cleanup all and wait for the process to be finished. At that time, the B level we're seeing here will be stabilized, I think. Let's go out of the preview. I change the room to the basic one, and now you can see the level has been stabilized. If I go here to level settings, you'll see that this level has been cleaned up and converted to a TLB level, what's called a Toonz raster level. So this is keeping the trace of the scan path. So anytime you want, you can revert the level to the scanned level to clean it up again if you want to. So I think this is how it should be working for you too. If there's something different you're doing, perhaps this will help you. If not, perhaps it's a bug of your version or a bug of the program in your system. I don't know if you have a Macintosh or a PC or Linux or Windows or Linux versions, but this should be the standard procedure, and it's fairly simple. As you know, you even haven't have to select any peg position, neither of that. It's just select here the bottom option or the correct preset, and that should do for you. Well, I hope this helped you. Goodbye.